In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make walls in AutoCAD. We're going to keep this simple and clean so you can follow along smoothly. The goal is to create a wall using a single guiding line and the offset command to give it the exact thickness you want. This approach is fast, accurate, and perfect for starting a floor plan. First, open AutoCAD. Once your drawing area is up, look for the command line at the bottom. That's where we'll type our commands. You don't need any special setup for this demo, but remember that your wall thickness will depend on the units in your file. If your drawing is in meters, 0.2 means 20 centimeters. In millimeters, 200 means 200 millimeters. And in imperial, 9 means 9 inches. To begin, type line or simply L and press enter. Or if you prefer a single connected object, type PL for polyline. Both will work here. Click to set your starting point. If you are drawing a straight segment, you can toggle ortho mode to keep your line perfectly horizontal or vertical. Move your cursor in the direction you want and click again to place the endpoint. Then press enter to finish. This single line represents one side of the wall. Now we'll give that wall its thickness. Type offset or just O and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a distance. This is your wall thickness, so enter a value that matches your units. Like 0.2 meter or 200 millimeters. Or 9 inch, then press enter. Next, select the line you just drew. AutoCAD will ask you to specify the side to offset. Simply click on the side where you want the second face of the wall. Instantly, you'll see a parallel line created at the exact distance you specified, forming the two sides of your wall. At this point, you have a clean, accurate wall defined by two parallel lines. If you drew with line, each segment is separate. If you use PL, it's a single polyline segment. Either way, your wall thickness is locked in and ready to extend or connect. As you continue your plan, remember to zoom in and out as needed to check alignment, and use object snaps to keep your points precise when you build onto this. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.